Hi, welcome to your channel, Generous, Gracious, and Gallant. I'm your host, Dr. Moharam Ghosh, and I am here today with another inspirational story about an environment warrior from Odisha, India. Before we go on to my inspirational story, could I request you to please subscribe to my channel, Generous, Gracious, and Gallant. And for those of you who are already my subscribers, a heartfelt thank you. Coming back to our story, the environmental warrior who I am going to speak to you about today is Vichitra Nanda Biswal from Gundalaba village in Odisha, India. Biswas was born in 1982 in Gundalaba village, which is about 100 meters from the Arabian Sea coastline. From a very young age, Biswas was very fond of animals. During his daily beach walks in 1996, Vichitra Nanda Biswal noticed and counted over 2000 dead olive ridley turtles on the beach. This affected him greatly and he started his conservation efforts for the olive ridley turtles. First of all, he was ridiculed by his own villagers, saying that how will he be able to make a difference, and the forest department officials also did not support him on his conservation efforts. Biswal took upon himself to educate the villagers that the olive ridley turtles eat jellyfish which otherwise would grow in massive population and eat away fish hatchlings and fish eggs, thereby reducing the income of the fishermen in his own villages and the surrounding villages. Also, he explained to the villagers the benefits of ecotourism if these olive ridley turtles were taken care of. Gradually, people started joining him as they noticed enhanced benefits due to the conservation efforts by Biswal. In 2000, the forest officials also started supporting Biswal's conservation efforts. In 2002, thanks to Biswal's efforts, the government of India along with the government of Odisha banned trawling and hunting of olive ridley turtles along the coastlines for its meat. It is credited to Biswal that he has been responsible for the conservation of over 1 million olive ridley turtles. In 1999 itself, he was responsible for saving over 1 lakh of these turtles. In 2019, he was awarded the Biju Patnaik Award for Wildlife Conservation. It is said that Biswal, despite being only a 10th class pass out, today has more knowledge than academicians who study the olive ridley turtles. Thanks to his ongoing efforts, olive ridley turtles are making a comeback along the coastlines of Odisha and India. Biswal has set up temporary hatcheries in his village where he digs up these eggs and keeps them in the hatcheries till they are big enough to be released into the sea. The method he has evolved after much trial and error has resulted in almost 90 to 95% emergence of hatchlings from the eggs which he brings to his hatcheries. It is not only olive ridley turtles, a million plus, that he has been able to save. He learned the art of catching cobras from his friend in Bhubaneswar and has been able to save 2,000 cobras which ventured into villages along the coastline which otherwise would have been slaughtered by the villagers. Whenever he is called, he goes and catches the cobras and releases them back into the wild. In addition, he took a keen interest in the sparrows and was able to revive the sparrows population by constructing multiple artificial nests around the coastline to save the sparrows. And last but not the least, he has undertaken a massive effort of education and conservation of the mangroves along the coastline. The mangroves were being decimated due to pollution and human intervention. Thanks to Biswal's intervention and education of the villagers about ecotourism and the benefits of mangroves, ridley turtles, sparrows and cobras, all these populations have seen a huge increase in Odisha. One person taking a stand, having the vision and deciding to make a difference has resulted in a million plus olive ridley turtles being released back to the sea, 2,000 cobras being saved, and the mangroves being revived with additional planting by Biswal and the villagers, and the sparrow population also seeing a huge increase. A truly inspirational environmental warrior whose story goes on to prove that if you take a stand and want to make a difference, you can and you will. Dear friends, if you like my inspirational stories, I request you once again, please do subscribe to my channel, Generous, Gracious and Gallant. And a warm, heartfelt thank you to those of you who are already my subscribers. I cannot thank you enough for your support to me. Till we meet again with another inspirational story on your channel, Generous, Gracious and Gallant. Good luck and all the best. Thank you, my friends, for hearing my inspirational stories. Take care.